You call it baran? Baran. Ayan guys, kita nyo guys, baran daw yan, baran. Ubusin na ni German yung tinapay, papakain sa isda dahil bawal daw mag-feeding ng fish habang sumasakay ng swan or duck or ubusin na niya yung tinapay na binili namin ng 20 baht. Dito ang German, si German English. 30 minutes lang siya guys. Ewan ko kung may bayad. Basta itong life jacket, ano, free siya. Free.
I sweat already.
20, I know. Free lang yung life jacket niya. Free lang din ata. Kaya free lang. Pati yung rides.
I go in the shadow here.
Ha?
I go in the shadow here.
Tapos, 30 minutes lang. Siya ang driver. You're sweating already?
I follow the Ragan here. As you don't see.
Ayan. Ay. Baran? You call it baran?
Ragan.
Baran. Ayan guys, makita nyo guys, baran daw yan, baran.